Hi, I'm Christina Rizzola, Director of Operations here at Florida Medical Cannabis Clinic. Cannabis is far different than any other medication, allowing patients to have a lot of control over the day-to-day administration of their medicine. We absolutely love this about cannabis. It can be such a catalyst for empowerment for patients and allows them to tailor their medicine to their day-to-day needs in a very unique way. But we also know with this type of medicine, a lot of education, support, and guidance is needed so that patients can better navigate the journey and get the results from cannabis that they desire. Being a part of this process with patients is what lights us up. This high level of care and support has been integral to our practice, is part of the foundation of who we are, and has helped us to build the reputation we have since 2017. It is very much what sets us apart from other certifying physicians across the state. Due to COVID-19 precautions, we've had to completely revamp how we provide this level of service to our patients. It pains us to not be able to provide the same level of care in person, but we are fortunate that we've been able to transition the majority of our services to telehealth. At the time of recording this video, the Florida Department of Health has issued emergency orders through April 15th, allowing us to recertify established patients of our clinic for follow-up visits via telemedicine. We will update the notes below if these dates are extended. For the protection of ourselves, our patients, and the community, we are not seeing any follow-up patients in person. These visits will be completed via telemedicine only through the dates allowed. If you have an upcoming appointment and haven't yet heard from our staff, please monitor your email for further direction. Our patient care team, either myself or our patient educator Stephanie, will connect with all patients prior to their appointment via a combination of telephone and emailed resources to provide the normal guidance, education, and support that you would typically receive in office prior to seeing the physician at follow-up. At the time of your scheduled appointment, you will meet with Dr. Gebhardt for your televisit via video chat. All payment for services will be processed to the card on file the morning of your appointment or when speaking to our patient care staff. If you are scheduled in the first few weeks of this rollout, please note that our patient care team may connect with you after the appointment. This all happened quickly and we are working hard to catch up. We believe fully in the power of this medicine and are committed to still serving new and transfer patients while we're able. But we here too are making significant changes for the protection of ourselves and you. Currently, the only member of our team seeing patients in person is our physician, Dr. Scott Gebhardt. All the rest of our staff are working remotely. This is much different than what you would normally encounter as a new or transfer patient to our office. Typically, when you come to our office, you spend the first half of your hour appointment with our patient educator and the second half with our physician. This time we spend is well beyond the requirements of the in-person exam required under the law. Being that the state of Florida is not allowing physicians an exemption for this in-person exam, we have limited our in-person service to this required portion only. However, we have transitioned all of our guidance and discussion portion of our service to telehealth to reduce the amount of time that you will have to spend face-to-face with our staff. For the time being, we are booking a new or transfer patient exam. A member of our team will also schedule your brief in-person physical exam with Dr. Gebhardt. If you schedule online, they will reach out to you to schedule this portion. Like our follow-up visit process, our patient care team will reach out to complete the same education and guidance that they would typically provide in office. At the time of your scheduled telehealth appointment, you will meet with Dr. Scott for further guidance and discussion. Please note that we cannot issue your legal certification until you are seen in person by Dr. Scott for the state-mandated face-to-face exam. If the state allows for changes to this, we will be the first to let you know. As always, our team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. via phone and email to provide any assistance you need. We are also working on other educational video content to help bridge the gap from our normal level of service. While we know this process isn't quite the same as the service we normally provide, our team is beyond committed to the mission of our practice and the lives we serve, and will continue to do whatever we need to do to meet your needs while keeping our community safe. We appreciate your flexibility, understanding, and support during this difficult time in our country and world. We know that the more we stand together, the greater the result will be.